Do you want to become a data scientist with no prior experience? If yes, you must watch this video until the end. Artificial intelligence and machine learning in the space of data science has been huge in demand. The demand has already surpassed the supply by 60% year-on-year basis, and there is 400% growth in data science space every year as per NASCOM Research 2021. This should be giving you an idea as to what you are missing if you are not attending my workshop. Now this is a great time to invest in yourself, invest in a frontier technologies like data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning, and dominate the future with these simple yet very powerful steps. First of all, build a portfolio that leverage your prior domain experience. Second, combine it with the data science, work on problems you are totally passionate about. And the third, last but not least, that way you can attract the right kind of profile and the employers. My name is Manoj Gupta. I am Solution Director and Chief Data Architect with one of the largest leading technology organization, primarily focused in data science and artificial intelligence and machine learning, digital transformation. And I am conducting a very special webinar this Sunday at 11 a.m. The details have been given in the master link in my bio. Click on this, join me live, and you will see the amazing result. See you live there. Bye. Take care.